Prosecution rests in the Karen Reed retrial, and now the defense will start its case after 23 days of testimony.
And that starts tomorrow, right after prosecutors ended with the defendant's own words today. As NBC 10's Katie Benoit reports from court in Dedham. Katie? You're here with us, Katie. My mistake.
I have no worries. Jean Patrice, it was a bit of a surprise. Prosecutors wrapped up their case today. The jury got to go home before noon. Yesterday, the defense said they were only about halfway done cross-examining the state's final witness, a crash reconstruction expert.
What if, I don't know, what if I ran his foot over, or what if I clipped him in the knee and he passed out or went to care for himself and he threw up or passed out, and David said, yeah, then you have some element of culpability.
It's part of the last Karen Reed interview clip prosecutors played for the jury today before this.
Your Honor, the commonwealth rests.
Reed is accused of backing into her Boston police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe, and leaving him to die in a 2022 snowstorm, allegedly cracking her taillight in the process. The Bristol County Women's Defense Team spent a second day cross-examining Dr. Judson Welcher. He says the damage to the SUV wasn't done in the victim's driveway.
You're saying that that depiction does not show any contact between the taillight of the Lexus and the Chevy Traverse.
So the upper taillight, just to be clear, because the lower taillight is much closer.
At times, things were tense.
We took
Sir,
the vehicles.
please don't interrupt.
Hold on.
Your Honor, he keeps referencing my hand and saying I'm doing something when I'm not, and I think that's distracting to the jury.
Here's what Reed had to say about the state's 23-day case against her.
Unjust.
The defense will now start calling its own witnesses. Reed says the first will be Matthew DeSogra, who is listed as director of engineering for an accident reconstruction company.
How long will your case last?
1.5 to 2 weeks.
And the jury will be back tomorrow at 9:30 as the defense starts its case. Reed has not revealed if she or former State Trooper Michael Proctor will testify. Proctor was the lead investigator who was fired for how he handled the case. Live in studio, Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.
Katie, thanks. Be sure to catch my daily debrief for Katie and our NBC 10 legal analyst. We do it every day after the court action is over. We post it on the NBC 10 WJAR YouTube channel. It also runs on NBC 10 News at 7, and I have it on the radio the next day on WPRO.